Imagine this. You literally step away from your keyboard, maybe go grab a cup of coffee, and when you come back, your code is completely written, it's been thoroughly reviewed, and fully tested by an autonomous team of AI agents. Seriously, that is the tantalizing vision of what we call AFK, away from keyboard engineering. But here's the million-dollar question. How on earth do you let AI write and execute code on your local machine without the terrifying risk of it accidentally deleting your entire hard drive? Well, today we're jumping right into an explainer on Sandcastle. It's a really powerful new TypeScript library created by Matt Pocock, and it's built to actually make safe AFK engineering a reality. So let's quickly map out our journey for this explainer. First up, we'll look at the AFK Engineering Era. Then we'll meet the AI Conductor, dive into sandboxing and safety first, explore Git Worktree Integration, check out the Local Sandbox Factory, and wrap up with the future of AI coding.
All right, Section 1, the AFK Engineering Era.
Let's just define what this dream really is, because it is definitely capturing the attention of tech leads everywhere. AFK engineering is a total paradigm shift. We're not just using AI as a glorified, superpowered autocomplete anymore. Instead, developers are actually delegating entire chunks of the software development lifecycle. We're talking implementation, code reviews, writing tests, to AI agents that just run autonomously in the background. And developers desperately want this. We want these agents working seamlessly behind the scenes so we can massively scale our productivity. But handing over your terminal to an AI, yeah, that comes with a pretty massive catch.
And this brings us to the core problem. Think about it. If you let an AI agent run completely wild directly on your host machine, the danger is off the charts. A hallucinating AI could easily execute destructive shell commands, contaminate your host environment, or even worse. You absolutely have to contrast that with sandboxed execution. This gives you complete isolation, safe code testing, and a totally risk-free environment. Basically, you really need a secure, soundproof space for the AI to plan safely. Which leads us nicely into Section 2. Meet the AI Conductor. This is the core value of Matt Pocock's Sandcastle repository. It describes itself as a conductor for AI agents. Now, I absolutely love this metaphor. Sandcastle doesn't actually write the AI logic itself, and it doesn't provide the underlying language model. It's just the conductor, safely directing the AI musicians. It takes an agent like Claude Code or Codex and places it onto a perfectly safe stage where it can perform without accidentally burning down the entire concert hall. And honestly, the real magic here is the developer experience. It is just incredibly simple to use this TypeScript meta framework. Get this, you can invoke a fully sandboxed agent with just one single command, sandcastle.run. That is it. Behind that one tiny function call, Sandcastle is doing all the heavy lifting, handling the incredibly complex lifecycle of spinning up an isolated container, routing the agent's actions, and safely merging the resulting code right back into your project. Okay, moving right along to Section 3, sandboxing safety first.
It is super vital to understand exactly how Sandcastle builds these soundproof practice rooms. Crucially, it's totally provider agnostic. It supports bind-mount local providers, meaning things like Docker Desktop and rootless Podman containers, so it essentially mounts a secure directory for the AI to work in locally. But it can also use fully isolated cloud environments, like Versal Firecracker micro VMs. And hey, if you really want it, it even has a no sandbox mode for interactive sessions. The takeaway here is that it doesn't box you into one infrastructure choice. It totally adapts to whatever tooling your team already uses.
Now, an AI is really only as good as the context you give it, right? Well, Sandcastle has this dynamic prompt engine that is just brilliantly clever. You can write exclamation point commands, so for example, :issues list, directly inside your prompt markdown. Sandcastle intercepts that and safely executes those dynamic shell commands inside the sandbox to gather all that rich context before it ever even hands the prompt over to the AI agent. And what's even cooler? It expands all these expressions in parallel, meaning your agent boots up and gets to work lightning fast. Let's jump into Section 4, Git Worktree Integration. So once our agent is safely sandboxed and fully loaded with context, how does it actually save its work? Sandcastle has this deep, really well thought out integration with Git Worktrees, and it gives you 3 distinct branch strategies. First, you have head, which just writes directly to the host working directory. It's super fast for development, but keep in mind, there's no worktree isolation. Then you have merge to head. This one is absolutely fantastic for automation. Basically, Sandcastle creates a temporary throwaway branch, lets the AI do all its messy work there, and then seamlessly merges it back to head when it's done. And finally, strategy 3 is branch, where the AI's commits explicitly land on a specific named target branch. That makes it perfectly ready for a human to come in and do a standard pull request review.
But hold on, you might be wondering, what happens if you have parallel agents trying to edit the exact same files at the exact same time? That sounds like utter chaos, right? Well, Sandcastle actually solves this with a super robust worktree lock mechanism. It uses a .lock file combined with a process ID liveness check, so it effectively ensures that no two agents can ever step on each other's toes inside the same worktree. It completely prevents those nasty, destructive race conditions.
All right, Section 5, Local Sandbox Factory. I gotta say, this is a true hidden gem for anyone who builds CI/CD pipelines. Sandcastle includes this local sandbox factory that features what they call an agent invoker seam, and this is massively valuable. Why? Because it allows you to write comprehensive end-to-end tests for your prompts and your orchestration pipelines without having to spin up heavy Docker containers. And critically, you can do it without constantly calling out to real AI APIs. So your CI/CD pipelines run almost instantly, and you end up saving a literal fortune in precious AI token costs, all while thoroughly testing your entire infrastructure. Pretty neat, right? And finally, Section 6, the future of AI coding. Let's look at how developers are actually combining all these features into some really sophisticated multi-agent workflows. Sandcastle actually ships with these powerful pre-built orchestration templates that you can scaffold instantly, just using its CLI init command. So, for instance, you can set up a simple loop template where an agent just autonomously picks off GitHub issues one by one. Or you could use sequential reviewer. This is where agent A writes the code in one sandbox, and then agent B acts as the strict senior developer reviewing that code in a completely different sandbox. Or, if you want to go really crazy, the parallel planner template. This takes a massive task, breaks it down, and deploys an entire army of agents to execute the work on separate branches completely simultaneously. Now, to be totally objective here, let's look at the full picture and outline the current constraints of the system, just so you know exactly what you're dealing with. First off, if you're on a pure Windows environment, you're going to face file path issues. You realistically need WSL2 installed to run this smoothly. Second, even though it is a TypeScript library, it has some pretty heavy runtime dependencies on third-party CLI tools, specifically Docker and the GitHub CLI. If those aren't installed on the machine, your pipeline is just going to stop. And finally, remember that Sandcastle is the infrastructure. It completely lacks the internal logic to correct AI hallucinations on its own. So if the AI agent gets stuck in a bad logic loop, Sandcastle is not going to magically fix the AI's thinking for it. But honestly, even with those limitations in mind, Sandcastle is providing the vital, safe infrastructure we need for this next massive leap in software development. The reality of AFK engineering is quite literally here. We have agents writing, testing, and reviewing code in totally secure, isolated containers while you get to step away from the desk. So I leave you with this. Are you ready to let AI take the keyboard? Subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews.